One of the most special parts is the backyard setting. This home backs onto a secluded park that's shared by only a handful of homes. There's no car access, just mature trees, green space, and a new playground. It gives the backyard this incredibly peaceful, almost hidden feeling, like you're in your own private pocket of the city. What's so great about this setup is that you really get the best of both worlds. The yard itself was designed to be beautiful but low maintenance, with native plants selected so there's no need for watering. And just beyond the property, you have this huge open green space for kids to play and explore, without having to maintain it yourself. There's also potential to add a rear gate for direct access. The outdoor living space was also thoughtfully designed for relaxing and entertaining. The handcrafted two-tier Siberian Larch patio offers plenty of room for multiple lounge spaces and different sitting zones. There's also a covered area, so you can enjoy the backyard comfortably in different weather. For anyone who loves to entertain outdoors, there are 4 quick-release natural gas outlets, giving you the flexibility to set up a barbecue, fire table, outdoor heaters, or cooking station exactly how you want it. The high-end Vieluxe BBQ with side grill is also included, which is a barbecuer's dream. Electrical conduit has also been installed beneath the ground floor deck, offering future potential for a hot tub. And tucked away from the main backyard is the red brick courtyard, a quiet, sun-soaked spot that's perfect for morning coffee, reading, or enjoying a glass of wine at the end of the day. It's peaceful, private, incredibly functional, and truly rare to find this kind of serene, park-back setting so close to downtown. And location-wise, this home is perfectly nestled between downtown Guelph, the Future Innovation District, and the University of Guelph, giving you walkable access to restaurants, shops, nightlife, trails, transit, and the GO station, while also being close to one of Guelph's most exciting long-term growth areas.